Hey guys, it's Infogal, and let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of First Latitude. Okay, this credit card is specifically for helping you rebuild your personal credit. There is no hard impact for pre-approval, but of course, if you accept the terms and conditions, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit report. Okay, now this is a secured credit card and they do require $100 deposit to open up this account. But of course, that is refundable. Okay, so they do offer 1% cash back and they start reporting to the credit bureaus immediately. So they report to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Now, this Latitude card is accepted wherever Master is accepted online and worldwide. And of course, if making your payments on time for 6 months, they will give you an additional credit card or they would give you a credit limit increase up to $5,000. Okay. So, like I said, if you have no credit, bad credit, low credit, looking to start your credit journey, I would highly recommend this credit card. So, of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.